African say to Sanskrit, no? The Sanskrit. One is Tamil Brahmi, another one is Prakriti. Both are Sanskrit. Okay. So this is the main cave, sir. Edakal. Edakal is the Malayalam word. Edakal means in between stones. Okay. In between. And this cave from due to earthquake in 30,000 years back.
Welcome back to Shrini's Buzz. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಡಕಲ್ಲು ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಲಿಂದ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು 2 ಕೇವ್ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿವಿ. ಈಗ ರಿಯಲ್ ಕೇವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕ್ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದೇನೆ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಎಡಕಲ್ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಆ ಪ್ರೀ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
So this is the main cave, sir. Edakal. Edakal is the Malayalam word. Edakal means in between stones. Okay. In between. And this cave from due to earthquake in 30,000 years back. 30,000. 30. That time also this cave is formed like this. Then after people lived here. Maybe BC 4000 to 2000 BC when people lived here. And that time also people are just doing some work. So this is the main figure here, one tribal chief. Can you see? Okay. So this is the tribal man. Can you see? The tribal man front side, other one is the back side. Can you see? Can you see the lady here? It's a lady. This is the lady. This is the lady, and this is the baby. You can see the wild animal here, a dog here, dog. And this round, no, that is sun worship. Sun. One peacock, look like a small peacock. Peacock. And you can just see the human face. The 2 eyes, nose, and lips. See one elephant, see front leg, back leg, tail, body, trunk, touch this page. One more lady again here, this one, see. So that time people are just using full of lady figures. Because we can just using 1 or 2 geometry figures make a lady figure is very easy. Then after, so many carvings are in both sides, but also there's no question what is that. After 2 Sanskrit here, so the Sanskrit, this is Edakal. Edakal means in between stone. African say to Sanskrit, no? The Sanskrit, one is Tamil Brahmi, another one is Prakriti, both are Sanskrit. And this means, this is 2500 years old, and this means a man who killed a lot of tigers, a name called Nandu, lived in this spot. Because that time people are just using full of bow and arrow, and Frederick Fawcett. And now we are 4000 feet above sea level now. And this is one of the oldest carvings in the world. And similar carvings you can see only in France, Lascaux. That's the main attraction of this place. I know the meaning of Wayanad. Wayanad means land of paddy field, rice fields. A district name called Wayanad. And before you can just go to the peak, you can see 3 states aerial view: Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Kerala only one district only. You can see choose the border. That's only Wayanad. That's it. Nice now.
See you in my next video, and bye bye. Bye bye from Edakal Caves.